how to import film into Photoshop Lightroom. Right, so here's an interesting thing, with iPhoto, you could just take it and drag it in there like this. But this won't let you do that. Does not let you do that. So you can't just pull them in. What you have to do is you got to come all the way over here to this plus sign. Got to hit that. Then you got to go to wherever those photos are located, and it's on the desktop. And then what you got to do is you've got to highlight them. I click on one, and then I put the shift key down, and I click on that. And then maybe I want to put that one in, so I'm going to go command and click on that one, but it's not letting me do it. And this one, it's letting me do that. This one's in the cloud, that's why I can't get it. All right, then I'm going to go review for import, and they're going to pull them up, and they're going to look, and they're going to tell me it looks like this one was previously added. So this one they're not going to put in, but these three they're going to put in. So then I got to come all the way over to the right top, and I got to hit add 3 photos. Cha-ching! And now they're in there. And so if I want to look at one, I could go like this, or I used to be able to just press your space bar, and it looks like I can do that. And then I hit it again, and I hit it again, in and out as I press my space bar. And then I put my cursor over it, a little hand there, and click, click, and if I double click, it goes back to small. And then if I go to this one, and I click, 1 click, nothing, 2 clicks, it opens up, 2 clicks, closes. So that's pretty much it. And then I can go over here, and that's all photos, and then they should be up at the top. Here's my 3 ones that I just put in. I don't know why that's there. If I want to get rid of this one, I got to go up here, then I got to go to delete photo, and then I got to go delete, and it pulls it out of there. All right, so anyway, that's how you do it. There's that other photo right there. So I already put it in, but these 3 I had not put in yet. So now I just put them in. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff with Lightroom. Peace out.